Hi guys, this is Knowledge for You and this is our first fact. Do you know swans only have one partner for their whole life? If their partner dies, they could pass away from the broken heart. They are purely the symbol of true love. This is second fact. Botox is the deadliest poison in the world. Just 4 grams of it can kill the entire population of Earth. Botulinum toxin, also known as Botox, is a neurotoxin protein. This is type of a poisonous chemical that acts on the nervous system. The bacteria that makes the toxin are found naturally in many places. And our third fact is, do you know we can eat an entire bag of chips without knowing it because chips have a vanishing caloric density that is designed to trick our tongue and brains into thinking we haven't actually eaten anything. Our fourth fact. If you want someone to tell you the truth, chat or talk with them after midnight because it is nearly impossible for a person to hide their emotions after midnight and most of the people tell the truth at that time. And our fifth fact is if an employee of Google dies, their spouse will receive half of their pay for 10 years as well as stock benefits and their children receive $1,000 a month until they turn 19.